perspective, right, I have a single vanishing point on my horizon line. I have my sky, and then I have my land or sea, where they're going to be. Everything in one point perspective that isn't completely horizontal or vertical go.
I was just, saying with Procreate how it's almost evolutionary, the way that the new features that are introduced, they build off of something that you may have had come into contact with before, so it's like it will kind of continue to grow and starts to take a form, and I can. Now at that point I'd probably shut off the alpha lock here like this. I just do that, and then I can come back in, and now I can start to add in
the exact same phenomenon. So there's a number of different variances. So someone who's going through manic episode and grandiosity, they might have a sort of elated impulsivity.